Hey y'all, it's your girl alawtofbeauty. I'm back with another video. Today I will be reviewing some acrylic monomer. It's supposed to smell like coffee, so that's what I'm going to be testing out today. I love coffee, so that will be great if it does. So I went ahead and used some Mia Secrets acrylic with the coffee monomer to see how smooth it lays and see how fast it dries. So I did go ahead and file and shape the nail, and this is the outcome. It's pretty good. It did set a little slow, but overall it's good. The smell is very minimum. It doesn't have my whole house smelling. It smells like chocolate. It smells like chocolate. It's like a chocolatey, like a cocoa. It's more of a cocoa than coffee, like a hot cocoa, I would say. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe.